What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today is the 13th of December, and we're going over the price action on volatility 51s. So let's get right into the video. So starting out on the higher time frame, if I can get this chart to work. So we ended the week up here, right around here, you know. I think this thing going to end the week at 12 midnight, even though it's 7, So this is off by a little, about an hour. So this daily time frame we ended. So this black candle, this daily candle, let me see if I can turn this thing down. This daily candle ended up here. Also, this computer needs to restart. So this daily candle closed up here. Also, we went up, swept the highs on Sunday. So this week candle swept this previous daily candle high, and now we're selling back off. So this is Sunday's daily candle. So that's it on the higher time frame. We close the week indecisive. So see where we are stuck inside this range still, right around equilibrium on the 4 hour. That is where we're sitting at. So currently we came down today, down to here, went all the way up, couldn't make it up to premium, and so we're selling back up. This could be a pullback for us to continue higher. Let's hope, but this needs to form the manipulation wick on the weekly time frame. But the way how the weekly time frame looks currently for last week, because this is the beginning of a new week, so this week closed indecisive inside week because we didn't take any lows, we didn't take any highs. So that's how that looked. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. So we sold in the morning and bought in the afternoon. So we sold from the overnight session. So this is practically, let me see, 12 hours of selling and then 12 hours of buying. So that is how we look. And see now we're coming back down. This could be a order block here for us to continue higher, but let us see. Who tell I might be up that time and can catch a decent trade because I'm missing out on all of this sale right now. So let's go over the price action for today. So today, like the higher time frame said, we sold in the first half of the day was a sell off, the second half was a buy up. So classic buy day. Well, not even a classic buy day. We open at a premium level, so that's why we kind of pull back and then we came higher. Not the cleanest of price action today, but usually that's the case on the last day of the week. So sold from there, retested here as a order block right there, and we just continued selling off, selling right through this low, and this is just a messy drop right here before we hit some type of level and just give us a big push like that. Back to consolidating, we pull back inside this nice little fear for the gap, consolidated here before we broke out to the upside again. So the two best entries here today was right here, right here, right here. This one not so clean, but this could have been a beautiful entry. We came up, continued up, sold off. So the manipulation here because we closed the daily candle at the extreme highs before selling off. So, let us see if that's enough to propel us higher. But that's pretty much the price action. So, quite a few trades you could have caught inside here, but I was on the road today. I saw this push from right around here. Even when I want to be home and try to catch someone, I have something else to do. So, this push from here was nice, coming all the way up before we pull back to here, and then we get a nice little pull off. This could have been a nice little trade, nice trade. But let us see what we get for tomorrow and the rest of the week. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. Good luck, good trading.